Hey yo, any of y'all want a hamburger with? Alright, so right now we are on our way to pick up probably one of the most riced out Civics near Pasadena, here in Texas. So me and DC, we're planning on probably getting the most ugliest EK coupe we can find. Huh? Yeah, the ugliest. You gotta add the emph into it. We're probably gonna get one of the ugliest Civics.
It is pretty ugly.
It's ugly. Riced out, wing and everything, full 9 yards. So we're planning on getting one of those and building the G series and making 400 horsepower out of it. You got any input on that?
600 horsepower.
Okay, I don't know about six.
All the horsepower.
I don't know about 6, but we're gonna make 4 at least.
Can the chassis take 400 horsepower?
I've seen. Wait, you've seen some of those make like what, 600, 700? Whatever. Point is,
where's Bank of America? That way though.
Left.
Point is, we're gonna be making 400 horsepower on a riced out EK coupe, and it's all gonna be eBay built. Talking about we're gonna
stock sleeves.
Everything. Well, yeah, stock
like
sleeves.
7 to 5 compression.
eBay pistons, eBay rods.
E85.
This car is not gonna. Oh my
God. Nah, it's been done before.
eBay?
Yes, eBay.
Oh my God.
It's been done before. So we're on our way to go pick it up right now. It's about a 30-minute drive.
It's been done. I just want to witness it myself.
It's about a 30-minute drive. So once we get there, I'll see if I can record the car. No, hopefully it's not too dark because it's in the hood. Hopefully we don't get shot. So
I got you.
Break yourself, fool!
So there's a new Civic. As you can see, this thing beat the living hell. Oh my goodness. I completely forgot to record the ride home, but yo, this right wheel bearing, this right front, that thing's, I felt like I was riding a train. Like, check out these shifter bushings. Oh my goodness. Hold on. Just I'm in first right now.
I got you.
I'm in first gear. Second. Oh my goodness.
Oh, he even painted the Honda.
You know, he even painted all this. He painted the buttons.
I think he was going for the
blue
look.
dragon. Yeah, he was going for the grip look. These are blue and these are red.
This is the blue dragon.
This whole low-key the Spider-Man.
Bro, look at it.
It has 3 different types of wheels. So we got our TE37s right here. We got our, what are these?
Those are racing lightweight.
Those are T37.
Those are Honda wheels.
These are TE37 SLs.
Honda wheels, AEM wheels.
Then we have our Works CR Kais here.
You see the theme? It's all 6-spoke.
Yeah, I saw 6-spoke here. And then another TE right here.
Show them how to open the hood.
Oh yeah. How do you open the hood?
That's the cable right here. So like the cable to the latch is broken, so go based up here.
Nice.
Check it out. You know what I'm saying?
Oh yeah, let's check if it's VTEC or not. Look at this beast.
Oh my fucking god,
it's so greasy
dirty.
you can't even see it.
Hey, hold on, let me get a screwdriver.
It's white.
Yeah, it's VTEC.
What is VTEC?
Yeah.
It was swapped.
Yeah.
Yeah, so it's probably not. This is not the original engine. So I wonder how many miles are in this car right now.
Let me see. There should be.
This is the one with the bad oil pump, right? The faulty oil pump.
Yeah, better lighting.
Yeah, no, that's a better lighting. Just look how this thing is. Look, just look at this.
Come on, bro.
The quick release bumper.
Quick release bumper. We got a intercooler wire mesh.
Look at that. Jeez. Oh my goodness. Like I said, we're going with like a Spider-Man theme on this thing.
This is a Honda Civic.
Honda Civic?
Honda Civic.
Which I'm deleting. I'm editing that out. And like I said, this thing used to have a wing on it, but they said they stole it.
Like 3 wings.
I mean, I don't know who the hell would want to steal that piece of crap.
Yeah, 1 wing, 2 wing, 3 wing.
This thing's like whole,
multi-wing configuration.
all misaligned. Trunk one closed all the way.
It got hella body filler here.
You could tell it has had a body filler. Look at that. Look at that.
Oh yeah.
Oh,
I like it.
I love it.
This is your future car after we retire this.
Like, here you go, son. Here the keys to a brand new car. Chicken mesh. Oh man.
Intercooler. Then we're gonna run no front plate too. We can look nice and clean.
Mm-hmm.
Preload. Oh. Damn,
yummy.
girl. Are you milk? Because I'm trying to spoil you. Yeah, girl. Voy a comer tu culo.
You gonna peel off like a ricer? Ricing son. Oh my god, are you serious? Wipers came out.
Oh. Can we drive? Okay.
Choo-choo.
Hey, Diego should drive this.
Wanna drive it?
Okay. Pull over, mate.
Watch it. This whole got automatic right turns.
Tesla?
Tesla?
Oh
Look.
my goodness.
Oh.
R.I.P. clutch.
Oh. Boost my gear. Boost my gear. Oh. And my seatbelt on, dog. Watch this shit in reverse. That's what.
Let me hear it.
Wait.
Let's get
Oh
this
shit.
work.
Hold up.
Oh no.
Cool.
Don't do
Don't do them like that, bro. Oh, don't do them like that.
the heater work?
Yeah, here works.
Barely.
Oh.
God, damn,
Oh.
the heater stinks.
Yeah, we'll turn that on. Oh, get the freaking gap!
Oh my god. 5,000 RPM, 45 miles an hour. Breaking the sun barrier now. 50 miles an hour. Oh, are we misfiring?
Misfire.
Choo-choo.
Honestly,
This is horrible.
this is pretty bad. I was trying to think of a good honest review, but this is pretty bad.
Sound like
Oh,
the
it
Dr.
smells like
Moro.
straight gas back here, dude.
One, two, one.
Brother, you cracked the windshield, bro.
It's been
You cracked the windshield,
Dude, it
bro.
looked like we stole this car.
It's a good thing we have the title on it. It's like you said, 3 minorities in a car. Suspicious.
Donald Trump don't trust China. China is asshole.
Hell no, that shit
Do a
won't
pool, bro. Do a pool.
do pull, huh?
Do a pool.
Bro, we're losing power, bro. What the?
Oh, it's like 10 horsepower up.
I think the TPS is not calibrated.
The DPMS?
The whole car isn't calibrated.
I know. Shit.
Facts.
Look at that steering wheel angle though.
See? Dang, bro, you drifted or what, cuz?
Ooh. Yeah, I got that angle mod, you feel me? 90 degrees.